Q11 What are the basic differences between application event and component event? Component events are used to do communication between child and parent. They use bubbling and capture same as used in DOM events. A change in a child component can be communicated to the parent component via component event. Answer: application events are used to communicate any change in the component to a broader audience. Any component W who has registered for this event will get a notified. To use component event API, we use the below syntax. For more information, Salesforce. Visit our website and YouTube channel.